Hi, my name is Ami, and what I'm about to play is the Indian national anthem for India. And this I'm doing it because my friend Uma, he's the one recording, doing all the work behind the scenes. He requested that I learn how to play that. So it's Jana Gana Mana.
Yeah.
So that's